This one decoration can completely change how your home feels for Easter. Before anyone even rings the doorbell, your front door sets the tone. And yet most people either skip Easter wreaths altogether, or buy something expensive that only gets used once. But what if I told you you can make a beautiful Easter wreath yourself? You don't need crafting experience. And some of the best wreaths come from Dollar Tree materials. Welcome back to Decor Design Ideas. In today's video, I'm sharing the best Easter wreath ideas. From classic styles to DIY Easter wreaths you can make in under an hour. You'll see easy front door Easter decor that looks store-bought, creative Dollar Tree Easter wreath ideas, including bunny wreaths, step-by-step DIY Easter wreath ideas, even for beginners, and fun projects like DIY Easter egg wreaths that everyone loves. Whether you want something simple, playful, or high-end looking, by the end of this video, you'll have a wreath idea you can actually make and be proud to hang on your door. Let's start with the Easter wreath styles everyone is loving right now. Why are Easter wreath ideas so popular for spring decor? Wreaths are an easy seasonal update. Fresh Easter wreath ideas instantly add charm, color, and curb appeal. What makes a great DIY Easter wreath? Light colors, spring textures, and playful accents. The best DIY Easter wreaths feel cheerful and welcoming. If you love seasonal DIY decor, hit like and share this video with a fellow craft. What front door Easter decor works best with wreaths? Layered doormats, planters, and pastel accents. Coordinated front door Easter decor creates a polished polished look. What Easter wreath decorations feel classic and timeless? Florals, eggs, greenery, and soft ribbons. These Easter wreath decorations never go out of style. Do you prefer floral wreaths or bunny-themed wreaths for Easter? Tell me below. What DIY Easter wreath ideas are beginner-friendly? Grapevine bases, faux florals, and hot glue. Simple DIY Easter wreath ideas are easy and forgiving. What Easter wreath DIY projects are budget-friendly? Foam rings, dollar store florals, and ribbons. These Easter wreath DIY projects look great without spending much. For more Easter crafts and seasonal DIY ideas, check the playlist. In the description. What Dollar Tree Easter wreath ideas are trending? Bunny forms, egg picks, and mesh wreaths. Dollar Tree Easter wreath ideas are affordable and creative. What Dollar Tree bunny wreath ideas are most popular? Moss bunnies, floral bunny shapes, and ribbon bows. These Dollar Tree bunny wreath ideas are cute and eye-catching. Love DIY crafts and home decor? Subscribe for weekly. Weekly inspiration. What Easter craft wreath styles work for families? Paper eggs, pom-poms, and felt shapes. These Easter craft wreath ideas are fun for kids. Kids and adults. How do I make a DIY Easter egg wreath? Attach faux eggs to a foam or grapevine base. A DIY Easter egg wreath adds instant Easter charm. For more Easter decorating and craft ideas, check the related video. Videos below. What colors work best for Easter wreath ideas? Pastels, whites, soft greens, and yellows. These colors define classic Easter wreath ideas. How do I hang an Easter wreath securely on my front door? Use wreath hangers or removable hooks. Proper hanging keeps front door Easter decor. Centered and safe. How long can I keep Easter wreaths on display? From early spring through Easter weekend. Many DIY Easter wreaths work well all season. Can Easter wreath ideas transition into spring decor? Yes. Use florals and greenery without heavy Easter icons. These Easter wreath decorations double simple as spring decor. What's the easiest last-minute Easter wreath idea? A grapevine base with florals and ribbon. Even simple DIY Easter wreath wreaths make a big impact. And that's it. 15 Easter wreath ideas to help you decorate your front door with creativity and charm. From Dollar Tree bunny wreaths and egg wreaths to easy DIY projects and budget-friendly crafts, Easter wreaths are one of the simplest ways to welcome spring. Whether you love hands-on crafting or quick decor updates, these DIY Easter wreaths prove you don't need a big budget to make something beautiful. Are you making your wreath or buying one this Easter? Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Easter decor and DIY inspiration. Happy Easter!